This week we're going to explore a subject matter that I've been thinking about for a long time. What's the possibility of an asteroid or a comet striking Earth, and how do we defend against it? It hasn't happened very often in the past, and usually the object is so small that it has very little impact on Earth, if any. Welcome to Reaching for the Moon, hosted by me, Ed Grace. A serious problem is being created with the number of satellites and space stations being launched and the space debris that is being created with these launches. Recently, a Russian rocket crashed back into Earth in an uncontrolled fashion. A year ago, a 23-ton core stage of a Chinese Long March 5B rocket crashed uncontrolled after launching the core module for China's new space station. Fortunately, both of these crashes caused no damage. At the present time, there are no known asteroids or comets that are on a collision course with Earth. There are several that have been identified that will be passing close to Earth. Close meaning 1 million miles or so away. There's a database of asteroids maintained at Asteroid.com that contains information on approximately 600,000 asteroids and comets. None of them are any serious threats at this time to life on Earth. However, with the recent launch of the James Webb Space Telescope, and once it gets operational, we may find some potential future problems that exist out there in space. NASA's funded a program which is called DART, the Double Asteroid Redirection Test, which is the world's first scale planetary defense test mission using technology to defend Earth against potential asteroids or comet hazards. DART is being managed by the Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Lab in Laurel, Maryland. DART's initial successful launch occurred in November of 2021 using a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. DART's mission's goal is to show that a spacecraft can autonomously navigate to a target asteroid. For this mission, the Dimorphos asteroid, which is not a threat to Earth, is the target asteroid. In September 2022, NASA's DART spacecraft is planned to collide with the Dimorphos moonlet asteroid, which is now orbiting around the larger Didymos asteroid in a bid to change its orbit and motion. The Italian Space Agency has developed a CubeSat satellite that's going to be launched with DART and will be released just prior to DART's collision with the Dimorphos asteroid to capture images of the impact and the resulting cloud of ejected matter. Using ground-based telescopes, the changes to the asteroid's orbit and motion will be measured. The Dimorphos asteroid, which has a diameter of approximately 2 football fields, is compared to Rome's Colosseum in this image shown on the screen now. 4 years later, the European Space Agency's Hera spacecraft plans to arrive at the Didymos system to conduct detailed surveys of both asteroids with particular focus on the crater left by DART's collision and a precise determination of Dimorphos mass. DART's mission goal is to provide data to help better prepare for an asteroid that might pose an impact hazard to Earth in the future, should one ever be discovered. DART is turning science fiction into science fact and is a testament to NASA's proactivity and innovation for the benefit of all, said NASA's administrator Bill Nelson. In addition to all the ways NASA studies our universe and our home planet, we're also working to protect the home. And this test will help prove one viable way to protect our planet from a hazardous asteroid or comet should one ever be discovered that is heading towards Earth in the future. I'm sure that all of us will feel safer once the DART collision test is completed. Well, with that positive thought, I'm going to end today's video, which I hope you enjoyed. Hit the like button as well as the subscribe and notification buttons to receive an email every time Reaching for the Moon posts a new video. Thank you for watching, and remember always, failure is not an option. Bye.